guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the folded hair bun. So let's get started.
This type of style is done on medium length hair, but because Gracie's hair is very long, I'm going to have to do it in a different way. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So we're going to go ahead and make two braids right here on the sides. So we're going to take the right side here, you're going to scoop up a section right here, and this braid you're only going to make enough to go over the middle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just create that braid. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. You want to make sure that this braid is long enough to grab the other side and put it together. So this is long enough. I'm going to secure it off with an elastic band. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here over there. Here's a tip that you guys might not know. So when you braid it, you want to braid it that way, not down here, because when you do it, it's just going to create a little pocket right here. So you want to try to braid it that way, because when you bring the braids together, it won't create that empty pocket. Gonna make sure that I'm measuring it together. This is long enough. Secure it off. Now we're going to take these two and bring it together. We're going to secure it right like this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and release these right here. And now we're going to split this whole entire back in half. So you're going to bring it down, make it into a ponytail. We're going to split it in half like this. And we're going to put this into a ponytail. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and secure this off right below this, right here, by her neck, right here. We're just making two ponytails. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing over here. Now that you have the two ponytails, you're going to take the left ponytail and you're going to fold it in to this braid over here. Take your two fingers right here, get it right there, grab the tail of this ponytail right between the two fingers and pull right through. Okay, you're going to try to get it all in there. There we go. Okay, so now the next is this ponytail here, the right. You're going to fold it over here into this side of the braid. So you take your two fingers, put it right through, grab the tail, and grab it with your two fingers and pull right through. Okay, so now you're going to take this side of the ponytail, the same side, and you're going to fold it right into this side of the braid. Put your two fingers behind that braid, grab this tail of that ponytail, and pull right through. Now you're going to take this side, the right side of this ponytail, and fold it over on the other side, the left side. So you're going to take your two fingers behind the left side of this braid, grab the tail of this right side of the ponytail, and you pull it right through. Okay, then you take the same ponytail, this one here, and bring it over. You're going to fold it over on the other side. It's all repeated. So you're going to take your two fingers behind this braid and grab the tail of this ponytail, pull it right through. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing. Take this ponytail and bring it and fold it over the other side. and it's all repeated. Okay, just like this. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, you're just going to take the last of it and just tuck it all under and use a bobby pin if you need to. Okay, and then you're just going to pull the outside of these just to define the folds. Gonna put a little hairspray. There you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
Every time you send us super thanks to your favorite videos, this helps us to get updated equipment, allowing us to make more videos for you.
If you like these videos, please help to support us by clicking the super thanks heart icon and donating to our channel. Any amount is appreciated, or try out the products we use through the links in the description.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and find our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Till next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, have a great week and God bless.